So you're renting a small PA that includes an MM5 and a pair of VLH10s. Here's everything you need to know to use it with confidence. When setting up your PA system, the first thing you'll want to do is to place your speakers apart and slightly in front of the person with the microphone or whoever's performing. Next, you'll want to locate your mixer somewhere in the middle or off to the side if you're performing live, where you can control it. If you have the optional sub, you'll want to place it on the ground below either of the speakers. It doesn't matter which one. On the rear of the unit, find the power switch, flip it on. Next, you'll want to take your speaker cables that we provided. The left goes to the left speaker, right goes to the right speaker. Then take the same speaker cable into either of the 1/4 inch inputs. It doesn't matter which one. If you're using the optional sub, locate the other output on the speaker that's above it. Plug one end in there, take your other end to the input on the sub. Turn on your power, and turn the volume up about halfway. If your speaker cables cross any doorways, be sure to place a mat or tape them down to avoid any trip hazards. The MM5 is a great little mixer. To use it, first, find your master volume and turn it up 3/4 of the way. Next, take your first device, plug it into channel 1. Here we're using a mic. Then, take your level knob and turn that up until you get the desired level you want. Repeat that step for each of the channels up to 5. If you're using the included aux cable to hook up a laptop or a device, simply find the input labeled tape CD in, plug the RCA ends there. This end will go to your laptop. It has its own volume knob next to the master. Find that and turn it up until it's loud as you want. And now you're ready to use this PA with confidence. If you have any other components you're using, be sure to check out the videos on those. And if you need any more help, don't hesitate to call us for one-on-one support.